Is Okudzeto Ablakwa normal? Like, Honorable Minister, with the greatest of respect, are you normal? You shut down a whole, so it's like saying, let's shut down the government of Ghana because there is corruption.
Enti eye pa se Okudzeto Ablakwa enwi eni nitiri ho. Eye kama pa anya sa se nka onwi a anka week we mu free last week e ba de pressure e kwane so no anka nitiri ho nwi nyina betutu ama obiesa koraman. Sesi amro kese on se eno ne ba ni sinu se Okudzeto Ablakwa wa close down Ghana embassy a ewo USA. Ghana embassy a ewo USA wa close embassy ni nyina down. A wo kiri mu se corruption bi nipa ba ku bebi engage in scandal in the we gina ono nko attitude so. I shut down a whole embassy ewo USA. Ade we na wa ye no. Afrifa abeke kanabia chempa se masa wonim de wo ya na. Afrifa abe clash with Okudzeto Ablakwa wabbo na abia che no wie no wasa tunufo abe treche nse onima de sua ne onsua de we eye free school a ode ama Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa ai Penyah Broadcast Media mess was any dim over like video na room about subscribe to the click notification for latest update na be chere wa adwen de ama me e wo comment section so ba so a na shi bi money aso anya bi ahwe enti enra ene ba ni sinu mu se Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa or Minister for Foreign Affairs. Let us say our that foreign ministry no ano. Or that foreign affairs ministry ano no. Ghana embassy at USA were closing it down. We're joining 2 months as foreign minister as shutting down. And you say a nipa ba could be I engage in corruption scandal. Ewo hono. The whole embassy nipa ba could be engaging in a scandal a visa scandal. They say on one creative website bia open visa otimi yama backdoor ejiji sika ni ade ewo mu eji Ablakwa hu ye no instead of Ablakwa firing that particular person or giving him a sanction or meting out appropriate punishment to that lone individual, Ablakwa went to the man of shutting down the whole embassy as he knew the ye now Ablakwa debut. Ablakwa, I want to ask a question. And you see, I work Ghana Police Service. Na sabi, police ni bia ko jimi. Police bia ko di nkwasi asemu a. Wo se ye gina no so egu Ghana Police Service. Ebisi yo hene. It is that way the free power don say there be. Okudzeto Ablakwa as onim de wo ye eti no. E bia na refi ne ho, eti man me kire no na Afrifa abetwa Ablakwa chimpire wo twa ne man kasa.
News that Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa say Ghana for our more consular a Ghanaian consulate you can consular no by diplomatic relations so onu o man bi e wo twaka e say utimi ene nipa ni nya ayonkofa bi it said the US for omo embassy. So mostly either you qualify yours as consular or embassy, any one of them. So yes, a Ghana embassy in US shut down over corruption scandal. Is Okudzeto Ablakwa normal? Like, Honorable Minister, with the greatest of respect, are you normal? You shut down a whole, so it's like saying let's shut down the government of Ghana because there is corruption. Because Oko a consular, Oko embassy, it is presumed that it is the government of Ghana in that nation. It is a woody boni bi na se ye pawacho na wudwania huri even Ghana embassy no e wala the walls of Ghana per Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations e honi nyina ye Ghana uko Italy baby even the ambassador netier no it is not considered Italy baby ambassador tier it is not considered America baby ambassador tier e Ghana ambassador tier e England it is not considered England sa no e Ghana tie de meka ye muntie ni ye by diplomatic relations baby a Ghana asasi yedan esi as consular na embassy bia no and by diplomatic relations aban na wo kosoe no say America say Ghana wonni kwan bia say otimi wura ho without their permission Tienye, it's Ghana embassy in Washington, US embassy, US government. We need to meet Biasura a embassy because that place is considered a Ghanaian soil, though it's US.
Exactly.
So, Oko a embassy, do they issue only visas? No, they don't issue only visas. Omoye nyoma foforo beyond issuance of visa. It is a Hon Okudzeto Ablakwa say. Eye obi ako create website. Website no. Oya a lead you to an own website. And for that matter, we'll close the whole embassy down. Come and tell us that person we use microphone flow because we give some MPP for. Now person don't call for sure. Don't come and tell us. And on top of it, he's declared. All of them say they should come back home and declare them persona non grata. So when we say somebody has been declared as persona non grata, it means on the home state, you know. So there be a home state and a host state. So Ghana is a home state for the embassy of US and US the host state. Now when you declare one kasa, there is diplomatic immunities. Obia wa diplomatic agent. Say wa ambassador. Say wa more consulate. They are immune from even bonies. They cannot be tried in that state. They must be brought back to Ghana by virtue of their diplomatic immunity. So the moment you declare those people persona non grata, what you have told the host nation is that those people, you don't care about them anymore.
Exactly.
So how can a foreign minister be so reckless? Say you born in the water, say you da sorry. Foreign minister say, well, who corruption war a foreign affairs, you can say embassy in US, and for that matter, we're closing the whole consulate down. I can't tell them for no mechanism kofi. Now, are you normal? How do you behave like this? Is this diplomatic relations? And Mr. Minister, you are no more in a campaign mode. First of all, say we a minister of state for the foreign affairs. The way our baby behavior should be different. Then still I would do personal Facebook page and announcing official happy war. What kind of nonsense is this? Minister of State official duties, official releases, and you are using your personal Okudzeto Ablakwa page to release official information about a whole ministry. Mr. Minister, what kind of craziness is this? And then the MLD nations are. So in effect, we key the social media handles of a year, the ministry, whilst using that to build on what kind of nonsense is this? So Kofi, Okodru consular, Omo issue visas. Not just visas. Say Intel, your friend be picking of Intel. US embassy omuhai. And your man is issue visa magana for moi. Beyond that, they pick intel, they exchange note verbals with a nation. You can note verbal. Say BBC quickly or metinality. And beyond that, it is the duty of the embassy to take care of all Ghanaian citizens in US. So aside the issuance of visa, aside they say omo epic intel, because here BBC or Washington, that's a Ghana for beya. If BBC spying, nation be just that obia to me now should nation be a spy on another nation. Say they be obey me a pick security intelligence. So omo free be a opinion jurist. Opinion jurist in here say ade anyambra. Nemo mu ye nyina ya dia tum si ye yenti no. Abeye by convention. Nemo medru spying na. No nation want to accept that he is spying on another. Eti wo be hwene na French ambassador ye otwa mu yi. No any musicians ye free. No any one mu ye free. They thought they like she likes them. Onya so like you. But oni mu di nkomo a obe pick intelligence nketenkete bi na o feed money ni home nation. It is our embassy, our US. Now see my shutting it down. Are you normal? Because of corruption. What is wrong with us? Okudzeto Ablakwa. So now who is picking intelligence from Washington to Ghana? When you have shut down the consulate or the embassy, who is picking intelligence from what kind of nonsense is this? It is a Ghana near watching this is here or Washington. Uncle him. What closing it down, Uncle him. And by virtue of a diplomatic relation, Ghana knew what Chile as what me ba a Ghana embassy one abuano. Within the period now was shutting a the embassy down. She said Ghana knew what Chile what kind of recklessness? And you are behaving like a dictator. Meanwhile, you were a foreign affairs minister. Kovi, your friend be diplomacy. When you talk about diplomacy, Zhuai law, a Chinese general be a what can be? Because diplomacy is the continuation of war through other means. So what do you do? Onyema must be on the table. Obia corruption. Processes ben wa faso. Wa friend on the table. Mashe ni nyina. And won't see it mean so be. Fire. The last resort should be this kekakeka kind of doing things. If you're a diplomatic agent, and the number one diplomatic agent of our nation is the foreign affairs minister, and you still behave like you're on a campaign trail, what kind of behavior is that? What's your diplomacy way? Diplomatic agents are also announced say you're shutting down embassy because there is corruption. If you want to say that, say that and stop this nonsense of corruption. You're shutting down a whole for an embassy.
More fire. More fire.
Oh yes, sir. Other nations view say we are over zealous and radical.
Exactly.
Well, in diplomatic circles, we don't behave the way he's just a foreign affairs minister. Wakes up, goes to the Facebook page and say we've shut down embassy because of corruption. Using on only private and diplomatic number one diplomatic agent with the firm support of President Mahama. I don't know whether, and you see everybody is happy because it's corruption. And now they've seen that Ghanaian people about corruption as well. So they say no, yet you will be said, what divert BB war a foreign affairs ministry. Yes, shutting the whole foreign affairs ministry down because corruption. Are you people normal? Will be I don't know. What went into that decision? As the number one foreign agent in our nation, as should it make Facebook announcing your man without looking at the repercussions of it at the international level. Okudzeto Ablakwa, Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations, Vienna Conventions on a consular relations. And you're no more on campaigner who announcing your Facebook anyhow. I like him because now mepe. Tama mepe, but you hear me crowd fire. What do I care?
Fire.
What's what be a diverted fans? Quite fans in Chile. Where were you now? We've declared that all of them should come home. Young friend is for living Washington. And why you know be born here much them so also buy you know. One money a year can say Russia and Kitamudi, you know. They are trying to strengthen the relationship between them and Russia. So Mobisa question is this a way of weakening a year? Because Washington, the embassy in Washington, and 1 year need direct relation with the US government. So when you say I've shut it down, direct relation with the US government, Washington. Or behave anyhow. Some Obekaya, my catcher says some form ye some. Woman, I did your mama by the Omo behavior, Sam George, Sam Okudzeto, and Sam Jemfi. Some conform and say the best of your mama. The angel fans, I have shut down. Even the word shuts down. As a diplomatic agent, you don't use them. Precisely. If you're afraid to be framing and priming, every word you use is of very importance, it's of very essence. It's all your diplomatic agent. Even the wording of Asama Opesoka, they must not come across like a dictator. Precisely. So the words like shut down. These are dictators who speak like that. And you think you are Okudzeto Ablakwa on a campaign platform? On the with the full support of President Jomama, I have shut down a whole number one diplomatic agent of our nation. Speaking, say I have shut down. That word should not even come out of your mouth in diplomatic circles.
More fire.
Minister man for not getting more. Jamaican, was shuru. One chassis. Go be. Mishada nam kusua what happens at the international plane, and I keep on telling you, I have masters in international relations. I understand the dynamics of geopolitics, international geopolitics. I understand it. I understand what constitutes diplomacy. This is not diplomacy. I never know. When you're near my basa revolution, I'm going to know. I'm going to follow. I never know. Huh? It's a manager, mama. On your fit to be a minister of fire. Opa university education, or maybe education. You bet me I have shut down because it's within the jurisdiction and territorial jurisdiction of the nation, so you can behave anyhow you want. But the international plane, you can't behave like this. You are the first image of our nation when it comes to diplomacy and international plane. You take away the president. You are the person that they be and when they see you are overzealous and radical like this, most nations won't deal with you.
Precisely.
Okudzeto, shut down. The word shut down should not come from a diplomat. Shut down. A diplomat. The number one diplomat of our nation. And the cash shuts down. Education free. Education free. Was you can never get a sense of a year, a quarter of the sense of Okudzeto to shout. What you want anymore? On Tiasia. You make an on Tiasia because I've been in to me Penyah Godu. When in your Ghana, when you comment it, Tinani say you and comment it because we are talking about another world. So we have a nation. Nation never called regional. It's in the war. It say ECOWAS. It's a regional bloc. And some a regional bloc ni free war. Now kobo here the sub-region which is African nation. Now Africa ni nyina France we kobo here world bloc. What you say? So geopolitics of a year the one tia say here can anya bibia na say comment. TNTB free. Jimmy na tie we hala nyansa. We me ma education free. Makotua ho kan asua wo no asua bi me ma free. What say kan kwase asem? Mummy asua de. Why? Okudzeto Ablakwa. You are a diplomatic agent. Precisely. Learn how to use diplomacy. Learn how to use the back door in dealing with matters like this. You are not in a campaign trail. Oh, you're not president now. Paid in 2% of the popular. It Russia, most presidents say, "Omo person omo kum obi carrier." When you do omo ye, omo do too diplomatic a year a corner. Say be ya betimi, but Okudzeto is not seeing that. So why is our presidential ambition? Any idea? It's President Mahmoud worked for foreign affairs. You all can say to Tukwan, and yes, still, he is behaving like intra politics.
Yes, Psalms.
The Psalms. Psalm number 1, Psalm number 2, Psalm number 3. Psalm Jata a minister Uchika, number plate in home. And a CEO of Gold Modwa, $1 dollars. And go to Kakraka, $100. And Psalm number 3, no year, some Okudzeto. One who says, one normal person. And Savoine, or to tomb, what's our cushy? Was if God bless me with a male child, I shall call him Okatakyie Afrifa. Ya meda say. You read the message in 1, 2, 3. Okay. I think you are empty and a fool. Okay, there be unya empty. Anka umfa udai enkaho. Today I decided to listen to you and I just noticed you are low minded, Debbie. Michael, you make Kenya non tiasia. And you Okudzeto Ablakwa, they make out tiasia. And what that is soon you should be one say what this munupa. What this munupa Professor Malku, our work gimpa. Also Okudzeto convert children diplomatic. Professor Beta. One also on betting your school in the come. Obeba no abene no aye fine. No abobel. Yamfa buga diplomacy. Me suane keke. Media minim say dem tie ntimi umma foreign affairs amene. If say minim say foreign affairs ye go mo akonu num ti. Na oyiwa keka coat ahye so 4 can 9 fi. And na okotwitwa bi na no makeka. One day still I want chiase. Okudzeto wo hwe na anya yakọ niamfa omra inside no be fufuro nko efo na first e jan se hunu no ato awudi no
More fire.
ade be na mirror of justice the tiri ho no Besmaka do say NDC youth are happy to learn sense ahanya kwasia ne aboa mo ne free ho
Tire wa adwen fama me e wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah Block Media.